How about some lunch? Yeah, sure, I am hungry. Why don't you take some time out and rest? That's a good idea. What shall we do this evening? Let's go see a movie. Why don't we go out to visit some old friends this afternoon? Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. How it's going? Pretty good, thanks. How about you? I am fine. Are you happy today? Yeah, I am. Did you have fun at the party? No, I didn't. Will you come to class tomorrow? Yeah, I will. Where are you from? I am from Setley. What did you do on Saturday evening? We went to see a film. Why was the class difficult? The class was difficult because the teacher didn't explain things well. What's up? Nothing much. Can I ask you a few personal questions? Certainly. What's your name? Peter Esolov. What's your address? I live at 45 NW 75th Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona. What's your cell phone number? My number is 409-498-2091. And your email address? Let me spell it for you. It's petasi@aol.com. When is your birthday? I was born on July 5, 1987. Are you married? Yes, I am. What's your profession? I am an electrician. Where did you go last night? We went to a bar and then out on the town. What did you do? We visit a few clubs and dance. Can you dance well? Haha, yes, I can dance. Did you meet anyone? Yes, I met an interesting Japanese woman. Can you speak Japanese? No, but she can speak English. How can I help you? Yeah, I am looking for a sweater like this one, but in a small size. May I try it on? Sure, the changing room are over there. How much does it cost? It is $45. Can I pay by credit card? Certainly, we accept all major cards. What do you like doing in your spare times? I like hanging out downtown with my friends. What does your friend Tom look like? He is tall with a beard and blue eyes. What is he like? He is very friendly and really intelligent. What would you like to do now? Let's go hang out with Tom. What is your job? Right now I am a student. I am in my second year of pharmacy school. What do you do? I work as a tour guide for a local tour company. I have worked there for 3 years now. How is your summer? Oh, it's been really great. No complaints here. What have you been up to? Let's see. Well, I started a new job last week, but other than that, everything is pretty much the same. When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 24th of September. What did you do yesterday? I taught a new class. What did you teach them? I taught them English. Did you walk to work? No, I didn't walk. I drove. Where did you go before you got to work? I went to the news agent. Why did you go to the news agents? I went there to buy a newspaper. When did you start work? I started at 9 a.m. How many classes did you teach? I taught 3 classes. Did you teach any evening classes? No, I didn't. Did you teach English last Saturday? Yes, I did. Did anyone else teach English yesterday? Yes, Miss Smith taught my old class. Did she teach on Saturday? No, she didn't. What time did you finish work? I finished at 4 o'clock.